My name is James Lieberman. I'm a certified industrial hygienist and a chemist. I'm here to talk to you today about taking care of Mary Jane's workers. Industrial hygienists want to control hazards. We do this through engineering and administrative controls. We're going to determine those controls through hazard assessments, process safety management reviews, and exposure assessments. Common marijuana operations include cultivation, marijuana concentrate production, that's the extraction of the plant material, and manufactured infused products, that's making edibles, cookies, candies, brownies, and such. When we conduct process safety management reviews, we're using it as a tool to identify physical hazards and chemical hazards and other hazards of the operation. We also want to identify or create occupational exposure limits for materials. In this particular case, the chemical is THC that we're interested in and the extract. In order to do that, we have to know about the toxicology of this particular material. And the pharmaceutical industry would call it active pharmaceutical ingredient. So again, we need to know the toxicology of the material. To create an inhalation occupational exposure limit, which I recommend using as a yardstick for exposure, we have to use some formulation. This particular one was from Dr. Kornberg. Let's look at some of the hazards from butane and solvent extraction. Well, we have flammability and explosivity. We have pressure and exposure to the extract. How do we control for these extract procedure hazards? Well, we use containment, ventilation as you see in this fume hood, appropriate storage, procedures, personal protective equipment, and training for the operator. Now, how do we control for hazards from carbon dioxide supercritical extractions? We have good process layouts. We have a dedicated room with ventilation. We have the exhaust relief dedicated to the exterior of the building. We have an alarm for the gas. We have operating procedures, operator training, emergency action plans, and appropriate personal protective equipment. Thank you for your time.